Okay, on page 20, today we are working with multiplying monomials.
Monomials? Do turtles make noise?
So multiplying monomials, before we can even talk about multiplying them, we need to know what a monomial is. So in the back of your notebook, you have the glossary, so we need to go under M. It should be on about page 195.
How do you spell monomial?
So a monomial,
What's a funny word?
monomial,
What page did you say?
should be about page 195, should have an M on it. Monomials are a number, variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. So a number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. So some examples. You could have a number, so you could have 4. That would be considered a monomial. X, your variable, that would be considered a monomial.
Who comes up with these names?
Or you could have 3x squared y to the third. Any of those are examples of monomials. Once you have that done, go back to page 20 in your note. Okay, so let's look at some examples of multiplying monomials.
I have a question.
Does it relate to multiplying monomials?
Kind of. Were Adam and Eve born babies or?
So 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 3rd. We'll talk after class, Carter. So if I have 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 3rd, when I multiply monomials, I keep my base, so my base is 2, and I'm going to add my exponents. I'm going to take 4 plus 3, so my answer would be 2 to the 7th.
Oh, so that's the answer?
That's your answer.
But if you times it when it makes
This is literally just exponents.
What was that?
Wait, so what if Miss
That's not what it's saying now.
Miss Potter?
Yeah.
So what if like the answer was 4 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 4? What would you do with the base numbers?
We're going to go over some of these.
The bells are off.
The bells are off. That was not your bell. Look at 5 squared times 5. So keep your base of 5, add your exponent. So this one has a 2, this one doesn't have anything, so what is it?
0.
It's not a 0.
It's a 5.
It's a 1. There's 1, 5, so whenever there's no exponent, it's always a 1. So my answer would be what?
5 and 3.
5 to the 3rd power. What about c to the 3rd times c to the 5th?
So the base would be C, and you
Yep.
add 3 plus 5, which would be
c to the 8th.
This is easy. Not that hard. Well, it's gonna get harder.
It's going to get harder, yeah. We got to start out easy. Questions on those?
Oh, we should do that one thing again.
And what about if I have negative 3x squared times 4x to the 5th? So negative 3x to the 2nd times 4x to the 5th.
It's gonna be 4x to the
How do you
second.
know
Nope.
what x is?
You don't know. They're not asking you to solve it.
So
They're just asking you to multiply monomials.
So it'd be 9.
Okay, so when your first number is different,
I'm so confused.
you're going to multiply that. So you're going to take negative 3 times 4, which would give you negative 12. Now keep your base and add them, so negative 12x to the 7th.
Where is it said? Oh.
2 plus 5.
Okay. So how do you get the C thing? Then you just add 5 plus 5 plus 3?
Yeah.
This is
Try negative 2m times negative 8m to the 5th. So negative 2m times negative 8m to the 5th.
Alright, is it 16? 16 to the 5th?
Nope.
Or 16
16m to the
5th. To the what?
6.
6.
Because there's a
This has a 1. When there's no number, it's a 1.
Oh, I didn't see it. It was like.
Yeah, there was no number. I said that up here if you were taking notes, like you're supposed to be doing. I went over one of those, Serenity. 8:53. Yeah. What about negative 3m, 6m to the 6th?
So you times it?
Times what?
3 and 6.
Which gives me what?
I get 6 and I.
Positive or negative? Negative 18 m, because it's a negative 3. M to what? M to the 7th. Carter and Aiden, disrespect. Quit. I am. Quit. Negative 4a squared b to the 3rd c to the 4th times 2a to the 3rd b to the 4th c squared.
Whoa. Oh my god. Okay.
So, same thing, multiply your numbers out front. So negative 4 times 2, negative 8. Now, how many A's do you have total? You have 2 here, you have 3 here.
Oh, 5.
So it'd be A to the 5th. B, you have 3 here, 4 here.
7.
B to the 7th. C, you have 4 here,
6.
2 here, so C to the 6th.
That's a really big answer.
It is.
That's a really
So just break it down.
and 5. Wait, don't.
When you have that done, open to page 3, fill out your table of contents for multiplying monomials.
This does sound like big dogs.
Multiplying my monomials.
What's the day today?
We did have homework today.
Yep.
Get it done. Get table of contents.